WELGRO, a specialist in building customer-specific bulk trailers, was looking for a flexible solution for welding small production runs. Melvin Gieskens, work planner at WELGRO, is responsible for programming the welding robots and designing the necessary jigs. With a strong focus on customization, WELGRO aims to tailor each trailer entirely to the customer's requirements. The solution: Valk Welding ARP, automatic robot programming. With ARP, even single-piece production can be welded efficiently. Programming time is significantly reduced, and no extensive training is required to get started. Thanks to Valk Welding, WELGRO now benefits from a future-proof production method that guarantees both quality and customization. Melvin is proud of the results achieved. Curious about what Valk Welding can do for your production? Get in touch and discover the possibilities.